Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong easily. Mahjong is a fascinating tile-based game, traditionally played by 4 people, originating from China. Your main objective is to be the first player to form a complete hand, which consists of 4 sets and 1 pair, using 14 tiles. It's a wonderful blend of strategy, skill, and a little bit of luck, making every game unique and engaging. Let's dive into the tiles. A standard Mahjong set contains 144 tiles. These are primarily divided into 3 suits: bamboos, characters, and dots. You'll also find special honor tiles, including winds and dragons, plus optional flower and season tiles. Each numbered tile, from 1 to 9 within each suit, has 4 identical copies, giving you plenty of options to build your winning hand. Setting up the game is straightforward. Each of the 4 players builds a wall of 36 tiles, stacked 2 high, in front of them. The dealer then breaks the wall and deals 13 tiles to every player. On your turn, you'll draw 1 new tile from the wall and then discard 1 from your hand. The goal is to form specific combinations, like a pung for 3 identical tiles or a chow for 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit. The ultimate goal is to declare Mahjong. To achieve this, you need to assemble a hand consisting of 4 sets and 1 pair, totaling 14 tiles. A pung is a set of 3 identical tiles, for example, 3 red dragons. A chow is a sequence of 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit, like the 2, 3, and 4 of bamboos. Once your hand meets these requirements, you proudly announce Mahjong to win the round.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.